Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sama if you're new here, and today I've got a very exciting video for you guys. I know you have been asking for this video and I'm finally here to give it to you. I just want to apologize because I have been very busy with a lot of stuff, actually with the house and renewing and decoration, and I'm finally done. I'll be sharing that with you guys soon. Until then, I'm here today to share my review, my honest thoughts, the things you need to know before you purchase or use or buy whatever the GK, the best hair treatment for your hair. And I will be sharing everything and how it did work or it did not work for me. So just, I guess, let's get started. Just keep in mind that this is my experience with my kind of hair. I know it's different for everyone. I know we don't have the same kind of hair, and maybe if we do, it may work differently for you. So just keep that in mind, and I'm no professional here. I'm just sharing what happened to me. Okay, first of all, my hair is it used to be actually, I have curly hair but not too much. I would say, I don't know, 2C or 2, I don't know exactly. I will be putting somewhere here my kind of hair, or 3A, not sure. But it's not, I don't have frizzy hair, I have curly hair but not tight curls, if that makes any sense. And I was looking for something that will like soften my hair, help me manage my hair and handle it and stuff like that. But I didn't want it to be straight. That was not the point for me. It was not what I was looking for. So I did my research and I did watch at that time Carly Bible, if I remember well, when she used not exactly this treatment, the one for curly hair. And I kept doing my research and I was like, let me try this one first. I did find it on Amazon, but I guess you can find it on their website. This is not sponsored whatsoever. So yeah, I did my research and I did end up purchasing it because I did want my hair to be manageable, because I was looking for, like, I was going to travel and I didn't want to use any kind of hair dryer or steam pod or GHD or whatever. I wanted to be free actually, just go to the beach and enjoy my day and not think about my hair and if it will be getting frizzy or whatever. So I did purchase the package. It came, I will be showing you the picture somewhere here, or if you're watching this video, go ahead and watch the first one where I did the whole treatment and I shared everything on the package and everything, all the stuff you need to know. But yeah, it does come with the treatment, the shampoo that clarifying shampoo that you have to apply first, then the treatment, then the shampoo that you will use later on the shower, and then the conditioner. It's a pack of 4, and then with some gloves and or one, it was one, I don't remember what. But yeah, that's it. Here I did pay it for, I don't remember, it was around 100 euros or 120 or 99 euros, I don't remember, but it was around 100 euros and I got it really fast. It was with Amazon. Then I did apply it, and the problem, yes, point number 1, very important one, I did color my hair before the treatment. It was a big mistake because when I did apply the treatment and I finished, I had, like, my hair did light, like the shade of my hair was 2 shades lighter or 3. It was like, actually it was red and then my color, which was kind of weird because I have been coloring my hair for years, since I have a lot of gray hairs, and it did just happen with the hair that I just colored, you know, like because I just did my roots. Well, it was just with my roots, but I didn't get it because all of my hair was colored, if you get what I mean, because I started having gray hairs when I was 16, around 16 years old. So I don't know why it happened, but yeah, I had this red, and then I had brown, and then I had the ends kind of red, which is completely normal because it does lighten up with time. But yeah, so that's a very important point you have to keep in mind if you do color your hair. Very important. Point number 2, just be careful you don't you don't apply on top of your scalp, because it does get itchy. It's kind of weird. I have been careful, and still I had a little bit of you know, like itchiness and stuff, so be careful with that, but it's not too much, just a little bit. Then it took a lot of time, like I did it just before my flight, like the same day, just before my flight, and it was a huge mistake because it took me a lot of time and I was late for everything. So don't do that. If you have something important that day, just take a day just to do your treatment. And even like I guess it would be worse, I mean, at least for me it was worse because I have long hair, as you can see, and I have thick hair, so it was absorbing all the product. So yeah, if you have too much hair, if you have long hair, just take a day for it. The other thing, it was very easy to use. I had to do some research to be sure about the steps, which ones were before, which ones were after. If you did watch the video, you will see. But other than that, it was very easy, very simple. I used my own steam pod, no problem with that. And after that, the hair was so easy to handle, so soft. I didn't even have to worry. The frizziness was gone and it was perfect. So just keep in mind these 2 points I gave you just before. Other than that, it was perfect. It was exactly what I was looking for, because I didn't want it to be straight, as I told you. I wanted it to be just soft and easy to manage, and still keep my, like, if I do curl my hair like this, I wanted my curls to stay in place and not lose them and be completely straight. It's not my kind of style. Sometimes I will do that, but I do like to be able to choose. Once I came back from my trip, I didn't use anything during my trip. I didn't use any styling products or anything. I was just using the shampoo and the conditioner from GK, the best treatment, and it was perfect. The shampoo and the smell of the shampoo and the conditioner, by the way, they are amazing. I did repurchase them just because I loved the feeling on my hair. My hair was soft, was like, it was perfect. My scalp, I didn't have itchiness, and I did have itchiness, by the way, before using that treatment sometimes. And after the treatment, when I just stick to the shampoo and conditioner, it was amazing. Like, and every single time I would go see my family and my friends, would be like, your hair smells amazing, I love that, where did you get it from? And I would explain to them. So that's a good point, by the way. And just to summarize everything, it is worth it. It will not straighten up completely your hair, but it will make it easier to handle, easier to style. It took me at least before, for example, now after months and months and months, because it has been more than a year, I take, for this length, it's longer on the back and I do have a lot of hair, it takes around 1 hour to completely hair dry my hair and then style it. When I did use the treatment, it will take me half an hour, so half of the time, and that was amazing. The second point is that if I just wanted to, you know, do some press to my hair and sleep, it will stick to that, you know, hairstyle, and then it will be completely, you know, soft, like curly but soft. It will take the style. I don't know if you get what I mean, but it was way easier, way easier to handle. Like, sometimes I would just do, you know, a bun, low bun like this, and then do a braid and put it around, and then once I finish with my day, and I will completely remove it, my hair is soft, like it doesn't, I didn't even need to, you know, completely stick anything to my hair to make the bun stick, because it will be soft. And that was no baby hairs, and that was amazing. That was really so good, by the way, now that I think about it. Overall, it was worth it. It is worth it. And my hair did get longer, by the way. It did grow, like from last year I did cut my hair, I guess, I don't know, two times, and it was like, for example, the last time I did cut like this from my hair, and this was the second time. And just to show you where it goes, my hair, I'm wearing my pajamas, I don't want to show you. But yeah, it's really long, and I did cut it 2 times, and I did color it. I do color it every single month. I know it's not good, but it does grow fast, so it didn't damage my hair at all. The only thing is that the part where you apply the treatment, it will never get back completely curly. Like, it will freeze again a little bit, but not go back to the original state of your hair. And I mean, for me it was not a problem, it's not a problem, but maybe if you just want something for a short amount of time and then get back to your hair, you will never get back to your hair completely. If you don't mind it, then it's completely good. It did save me a lot of time, a lot of effort, and it made my everyday life easy. So that's all I have to say. If I do recommend, yes. If I will purchase it again, I guess yes. I don't know if I will be trying this treatment or the curly one. I guess I will go with the curly one just to see, the one that Curly Baby did use that time. And yeah, so that's my honest 100% review. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to know anything else, I will be more than happy to share that with you guys. Just go ahead on the comment section down below. It will be a pleasure to answer you guys. And I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, please take care. Bye.